Hello viewers, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I will show you how we can install free SSL certificate. So here is the website I'm going to install free SSL certificate. You can see here already Google is showing a warning, your connection is not private, and Google is not allowing us to browse this website. So here is the website admin dashboard. I'm going to install a free plugin. Just type SSL. Here is the plugin we are going to install now. Plugin name is WP Encryption. Okay, let's install. Then activate. Escape. Okay, we are going to use free plan. Generate certificate, I agree, just check mark them all. Then general certificate, email address is required. Sorry, I did not put the email address. Okay, first step is done. Then they are asking to verify domain ownership, that we are the actual owner of the domain. We have to verify this one. We can verify domain in two ways. I'm going to verify HTTP challenges. You can see the video tutorial, but I am showing you how we can do that. So first of all, we have to go to our cPanel. Okay, I'm going to file manager. I'm using Namecheap. I think most of the hosting have the cPanel option. So here is your website, file manager. So what are they telling us to do? Open FTP or file manager on your hosting panel. We have already done that. Navigate to your domain, subdomain folder, create a oil-known folder and create Acme challenge inside that folder. I have already created .oil-known file. Now I have to create another folder. I just copy the name Acme-challenge and create a new folder. Open this one. Then they are telling to upload those two files. Okay, download this one and this one. Upload. Okay, another one. Back to the file manager. Okay, now both of the files are uploaded. Then we can verify by clicking here. Cool, our SSL certificate has already been generated. We can download or we can copy like certificate.crt file. Okay, then how we can install these files or install the code? SSL-TLS. Generate, view, upload or delete SSL certificate. Is not working anymore. Actually, we have to re-upload the files we have downloaded. So first certificate.crt, and this one just copy. Sorry, this one. Select and paste. Then private.pm This one is the private key. The last one. Install. Cool, our certificate is installed. Click OK. Let's refresh. Actually, it's taking a bit time. It's still showing not secured, but I think it's already installed. Let's see from browsing incognito mode. Cool, you can see that it's already installed. Connection is secure. Actually, this is the caching issue, which is why it's still showing not secured. So we can try browsing from another browser. Let's see how this looks here. Okay, here it's also working. You can see here is the lock icon, and it's also showing HTTPS. So our website is secured now. SSL certificate is installed successfully. Thank you very much, guys. If you face any issue or trouble installing SSL certificate, you can comment below. Thank you very much.